Omo, that is very, very shocking. It shocked me. Like, how can I use 10,000 to do ads and get like 720 something people? So, like, I was shocked because I've never done that type of ads before. I've never done that type of ads that convert before. I swear to God. I blessed the day I saw your ads on TikTok and I decided to message you because this TikTok ads manager something.
So I saw someone advert on TikTok, and I was like, "Oh, this advert is good." So I tested the person, that's Bolaji, and asked him that does he do it or does he have anyone that does it that he can recommend to me. So he recommend me to you. So I asked him that how is your heart used to be, that is he used to be massive or something like that. So he told me that I don't have any reason to be worried that the heart will be massive. So that's why he gave me your number and I tested you. At first I was scared because I've did many ads already, and the people don't members don't even join. I didn't even see the members that much, and I even paid money. So I was scared at first. But when I started seeing the result and you put me through some things, you corrected me on what I'm supposed to do and what I'm not supposed to do, and I followed the instructions. The ads was really, really massive. It was really, really, really massive. I was even like, so these are people used to gain many, many more ads. The ad was it's still coming in, still coming in. People are still joining. People are still joining. In less than 48 hours, over 500 members. Like it was really, really massive, really, really massive.
So some people say that running TikTok ads on the Ads Manager doesn't work. I mean, from Nigeria. Well, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 accounts that I've worked on in the last 1 week or so, right? This is about, okay, this is not the latest one. The latest one should be about today. Today is 8th of January 2026, okay? But look at this account, okay? I set up this ad first. I normally will do it and I'll monitor your ad for like 3 hours. If it's not performing, I'll pause it and then rework the whole process. Okay, so I did this one and it wasn't performing. I had to stop it. I created the account set up for this person. Okay, that's even the first time I was to hear about Thoughts. Is it Thoughts Bags? I don't know about it. That's TOTE. So I was wondering whether the product sells. Okay, so when this was not working, I had to call the lady and ask her, are you sure this product is in demand? And she confirmed that it's in demand. So I went ahead to run the ad for her. Now, here is the budget I had for her. That's 3,750. That was the budget I used for her. If you see the date here, that was the first, that should be 1st January. What is it showing here? This is 2026 anyway. Today is 8th. That should be 5th. Yeah, that should be 5th of January because January is 01. Okay. Now, if we scroll further, remember it was 3,750, right? I did it such that she will run this ad for 4 days because it was 15,000 she funded the account with. So 3,750 the first day, the second day 3,750. That will now make it 7,500, right? Then if you repeat it 2 more times, that will be 15,000. Okay. So see her cost per click, 2 naira 12 kobo. Then cost per mile is 13 naira 80 kobo. Now her impression is 865,762. That is her impression. Okay. Now she's running this direct to WhatsApp, but there is a way I set it up for her. Okay. Then the clicks she got out of this was 5,627. Right? This is the percentage cost per click. Now conversion, she had this number of people reach out to her, 1,187. This is as at today. Remember, this is an accumulation. Okay. Now later I will share with you her WhatsApp message. Okay, I will share with you her WhatsApp message, what she said. Then this is cost per conversion, 10 naira 7 kobo. Okay, so this is one of those results.
Okay, good morning, sir. I'm so sorry that this review is coming late, but I've just been busy with some things. So first and foremost, I got to know about your advert from TikTok. Yes, you ran advert. So while scrolling through TikTok, I saw it, and it seems like I saw where you posted people's reviews. So I got interested. Just like this is not my first or second time wanting to do this thing, but people that I wanted to do it with, they just wanted to teach. And my kind of person, I paid for the teaching, but it was kind of confusing. I don't think I could like go through it. So I got to know your advert on TikTok, and when I messaged you, you directed me to WhatsApp. First and foremost, I would appreciate your how will I put this thing? See the way you attended to me, yes, it was good. Like it was very, very okay. You don't like you were not that fast. You were just like trying to take everything slowly. Yes, you were very accommodating, and then the voice calls and the rest of it, very sure you wanted, like very sure of everything, and then the time you take, yes, to make sure that I'm able to get what I want. I really appreciate that. And for the TikTok adverts, honestly, I didn't wanted to run it at first because of the price you called. Yes, you said it was 16,500 naira. I didn't have that money, to be very honest. I didn't have it. But I was just like, let me just give it a try. Anything won't come out, may come out. That was what my mind was on. So I just had to pay for the 16.5 because I've already funded my account with 20,000 naira. And when you started running the adverts, I told you that I was just getting like views and I was not getting any add up. Like people were not texting me or anything. You said okay, no problem. So like you post that particular advert and then you say let us try the one I recommended. But you tried that one, I think it was same thing, and then you posted. Though I didn't know when you posted, but I noticed that I was not getting views actually, and I had to text you. And I told you that you posted and you started another one in the midnight. And that time you started it, I was still sleeping. For me to wake up in the morning to be getting like, oh god, I was getting outrageous DMs. Like I was getting lots of DMs. I even went to see the post. The post I posted that was 300. I was seeing it at 70 something K views with lots of TikTok messages, with lots of WhatsApp messages. Funny enough, the post is now 1.1 views. Yes, the ads are stopped running. The post is 1.1 views. I got 600 and something. I got 600 plus followers. Yes, I got 600 plus followers. Though the followers was not actually what I was looking to. My main aim was to get WhatsApp messages and the rest of it. And I am very, very sure because this number is a new number and I was trying to like build my views and the rest of it. So I got quite a lot of messages from people and they were showing interest. It's just that it is me that is dulling them. They are really showing interest and I plan on starting to like make sales on or how like to start posting for them to purchase tomorrow being 12th of January. So I'm the one dulling. So honestly, the ads is very, very good. Like I really appreciate it. Though I'm still coming for more. And I said I'm going to be recommending you to my sister. Yes, though she has not like brought it up again, but when she does, I'll definitely give her a number and me, I'm still coming for more. Yes. Before this week run out, I'll definitely come for another advert running. So I think that is all. I really want to appreciate. Like I appreciate. I love every single bit of this advert. The money I paid for is converted very, very well. Thank you very much.
Now, let me show you this one. This is a lady I did ad for somewhere in December. I shared her testimony already, right? I'll still share it again. That's Big T Wears, okay? She sells shoes, right? So she paid me again to run ad for her. Though this particular one is not performing as this one, but let's see what is happening. Even though this one, let me even show you. Let me take it back. So you see that this ad is having limited delivery, right? It means that it's not fully approved, right? But even at that, I've already appealed. So they're working on it. But even at that, see the performance so far. This today, I set up this ad today. Okay, see the performance so far. Initially, it was not even approved at all. All right. So after I wrote the first appeal, they now said it's partially delivering, right? But see the performance. She has spent 2,137 naira 97 kobo, and her cost per click is 1 naira 55 kobo. Her cost per mile is 8 naira 48 kobo. Okay, let's move further. Impressions so far, remember this is today. I think I need to show you the date like I did in the other one. Let's see the date. Where is the date again? Okay, I think the date is somewhere ahead. So her impression so far is 252,115 clicks. She has gotten is 1,378. Okay, and then she had now at this point in time 36 conversion. This is quite low, but I'm not so much bothered because her ad is partially delivering at the moment. Okay, now if you check here, you see another ad I've run for her, right? You see the results she got. This was the one that blew her mind, right? I will still share with you her message on WhatsApp concerning this ad. I'm looking for the dates for this ad. I can't find it here. Why? Maybe I'll find it later. Now there's another one I started running today. Where is that again? I have a lot of ads in all my browsers. I'm looking for the one for today. Where is it again? Is it here? Okay, it should be somewhere here. I think that should be somewhere here. Let's see this. Yeah, that should be this. Okay, now this one, like the first one I showed you, I set up the first ad. It was not performing well. That was, I did it I think 2-3 days ago, so it wasn't performing well. I had to pause it, right? I paused it and then I waited and I was trying to study what could be the problem. Okay, so today again I decided to set up a fresh ad for her, right? And we will see the result in a moment. It's just loading. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that sometimes we can launch ad and it's not performing well. Can you see the first one I did? Remember I told you it was I think a day or two ago. Okay, so if you look at that first one, she spent like 2,177 naira. The cost per click was still okay, 6 naira something. Then she was getting this number of clicks. Okay, yeah, the problem with this one was that this was showing conversion of 215, but she wasn't getting this number of people join her on her WhatsApp, right? That was really a disturbing case for me. In fact, I had to tell her to do a WhatsApp video call and share her screen for me to confirm. And I confirmed that as at the time she had about 120 people here or conversions here, she had only 3 people on her WhatsApp. So fast forward to today, I had to set up this one for her, this particular one now. So let's see it from the beginning here. Okay, so I set it up for her. It's still active. Can you see? I want to show you from the beginning. Okay, so if I'm on the ad group, I will have shown you the budget because the budget is in the ad group. But let's just see what is happening so far or what has happened so far. So this is 2,166, right? Almost like this amount. Then why cost per click here is 6 naira 28 kobo or 23 kobo. Cost per click here is 2 naira 68 kobo. So this one is quite lower. So let's move on. Then cost per mile is 22 naira 95 kobo, but this one is 683 naira 69 kobo. Can you see the gap? Then impression so far is 94,439. Impression here was 3,000 something for the same, almost the same amount of ad spent. Okay, now clicks here is 809. Clicks here is 340. Now percentage of click-through rate, or rather the click-through rate is 86%. This one is that's 0.86%. This one seems quite higher, but like I told you, it was showing conversion here, but this number wasn't counting, right? But now this particular one is counting. Okay, so this is very important because you know why I'm trying to explain this to you is that it's very easy if I'm trying to lie to come here and tell you, do you see this one? We got 215 conversions. It's very easy to do that, but that would be a lie. I wouldn't be lying to you. Okay, so this conversion was not real. It didn't happen. I don't know what really happened. Okay, but now this one is happening, right? So I'll share screen, rather my conversation with them on WhatsApp, so you see the evidence to this. All right, so I'm doing this video to help you understand that TikTok ads on the Ads Manager works. Okay, now even me as an expert, sometimes when I finish setting up, it doesn't go the way I expected it, and that's why I do say that it's important how you set up your TikTok ad account. That's where it begins. But beyond that, even TikTok and any other social media platform that runs ad knows that nobody can tell a successful ad, right? Until you have tried it and seen the results. And that's why sometimes you see something like A and B testing or split ad, right? So if they know it all, they wouldn't give you those options, right? So it's not all bad when you have run ad and it didn't convert. You might just have to pause and then check where the fault could be, troubleshoot your ad, and find out where you are lagging behind, right? So for this one, a lot of things seem to be okay. But the fact that the conversion was not reading on her WhatsApp, it was not a successful one at all, okay? So I have other ads I've done in the past that were also wonderful, right? And some of them I had to face some of these issues before I finally got them working. So what I do for people now is that I help you set up your ad, or rather ads manager account, TikTok ads manager account, then help you set up maybe one ad and monitor it for like 3 hours. Okay, so the essence is to make sure that your fund is not wasted. So I'll monitor it. If it's not going well, I'll help you adjust it, right? The moment your ad picks up, I hand over the account to you. That's the way I do it now. So if you're interested and you want me to assist you, click the link around this video or in the description if you're on YouTube and book a slot with me. I would like to share in your success with TikTok ad.
It's turning out small. And like a different from Facebook, you see people in a Facebook more phone go down, they spend like 200. I say, I'm big. That video where you help me to observe for Facebook card. After I've created this website and the feed and the TikTok had everything as set, my own is just to the hard phone, the Facebook link. So now it is to do Facebook card to one page. So now it's a feed to really help me to do them. Facebook communities, the more they get shows. So now to one app. With 30K now, that's 40K time. My group was 4 starting. That is like 40K doing.